Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start now. Use a phone, tablet, or computer with an internet connection and keep a recovery phone or email nearby. Go to Accounts. Google.com/sign up and fill in your name. This helps Google match identity to recovery options. Next, choose a username that's available that becomes your new Gmail address and create a strong password. Make sure to store it in a password manager or write it down safely. That prevents lockouts later. Once you've picked credentials, verify your account by entering a phone number. Google sends an SMS code to confirm it's you. Add a recovery email and accurate date of birth so you can regain access if needed. Choose your country and review privacy settings. These affect personalized services. Make sure to enable two-step verification after initial setup. It adds a second layer of security using your phone or an authenticator app, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Finish by customizing your profile. Add a photo, import contacts if you want, and set an email signature to appear on outgoing messages. Install the Gmail app on your phone and send a test email to confirm sending and receiving work. Make sure notifications are enabled. If you run into verification problems, try a different phone number or recovery email, clear your browser cache and cookies, or wait about 15 minutes before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.